A4?
Yeah. Audi A4.
Let me hear the flutter. Alright, let's do it before. I'm gonna do a muffler delete on a. It does. It sounds good. Alright, let's put this shit in. Let's get to work. Go more to. You're good.
It says it right here. You can barely see it.
Spin?
Whatever the fuck that is, huh?
It's retarded, fool.
No, it says
Euro speed?
West.
What the fuck?
West.
Oh, no speed. New
I'm
speed.
not trying to pronounce it in Spanish. Fool.
It's all German, fool. It's new speed.
Whatever the fuck that is.
Does have bolts or not?
Yeah. Oh shit. It's four.
We're both on YouTube.
Last YouTube video was me getting locked up.
I never posted that one. I was like, fuck that. I don't want to post that. Or did I post it? No, huh? I didn't want to post that shit.
I fucking hate chihuahuas.
It's not even really a chihuahua. Hey, fool, why is your chihuahua so big?
It looks like a rat. Wiener dog.
It's on steroids?
Shit like my dog.
Wait, what do you think, like 14?
Yeah, fool, my. Hey, Junior, try this condom.
Like,
See muscle. Oh, exhaust move. It does move, huh? Oh, you got all the truck all mad. I'm not bald, fool.
You took off his hoodie.
wait, your exhaust won't hang?
What do you mean?
Because I'm pretty sure this shit probably plays like a little role in holding.
Well, there's hangers, no?
No, it has hangers in the back where the white pipe is.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's not.
What the fuck?
Well, get up.
Yeah. Shit would have snapped on you while you're driving. Dick would have been hanging all low and shit.
Your tip would have been hanging on.
It has hangers up. Have you seen that meme? Where some fool like he supposedly ate shit. And it was a fat ass dick print on the floor.
Oh yeah, on the concrete. I used to. Let's see. Which one you hitting?
Fucking whoever tightened that shit for. Nah, these are old. These shits usually always snap or the bolts end up fucking getting stripped. For I think this one's gonna snap too, low key.
Nah, chill. You drive home with fucking two snap bullets.
No. Oh, this shit is coming off. No homo.
The exhaust on.
Yeah, look, this shit's off.
Oh, hold it. Oh fuck.
Shit's all one go, huh?
That shit was kind of hot.
Bro?
It was.
It's from all the bumps.
No, I was gonna say low key for him driving it.
Yeah, it's not that hot, but
Yeah.
it's pretty cool right now. But at first it was pretty warm.
You should touch the catalytic.
Right.
Yeah. It's all about the motion with that one, fool. It has a good personality.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Let me see it.
The chode wrench.
The chode wrench. Let me see it. Bro, when you pop that shit on.
Think that's how females are?
As long as this shit screams at the end, you know it worked.
Like your dad said, bro, they don't care about how big it is.
As long as it does the job.
If you had them, I seen that video. What's up with this fool, Mr. Fucking
this
Incredible Hulk?
New speed. I think it's just new speed.
Fucking caca ass brand.
Oh, but the trick is. That's it.
Well, guys, after taking off the mufflers or the mufflers, this is how it sounds. This is the end result. Ready, start it up, Junior.
Oh, we should have done a cold start before even.
Sounds pretty good.
Shit.
Yeah, guys, this is just without the two mufflers. Sounds pretty good. Now, the cold start on this shit's fucking loud as fuck.
I'm ready, folks. Uh-oh. There's a loop. Oh, not no more. It fell.
I got scared for I was like, hey, you just fucking with me? That fool from regular show? The fucking
That's the car's name now, alright?
Hey fool, I was in it. It sounded like shit when it started, fool, but when I read it, I call that shit Batman.
Boy, if you don't get.
Hey, here, fool, I'll give you the fucking screw stuff.
Oh yeah. How much?
You remember?
$5. You break, you buy. Have you seen that shit? It's like, hey now.
Here, fool, it's used, but it still works.
Damn. Hey, that was.
I want to hear it from out here.
I don't want the exhaust to be louder than the turbo though.
I don't think it will. The turbo's pretty loud.
It sounds pretty even now, huh?
Yeah. That's just pretty fucking loud.
God damn, you possess that shit?
No. Oh. Holy shit. Let's go. Let's go. God damn.
Damn, fool, the verbals, fool.
That's just fucking loud.
Hey, fool, when I pull up on that Hyena right now, it's just gonna be too loud.
She's gonna be too wet, fool. Let's go.
Hey.
He called me Big Purr. Gonna make that pussy purr.
She sounds pretty good.
Can't tell the difference.
No?
Nah, I mean, I don't know cars.
He's mad at you, fool.
What?
What happened back there?
Oh, no,
fool's Nah, I was in the middle, C4.
So put your hands there.
I fucked on
Who just
both.
rubbed it? You rubbed it and sniffed it?
Smell it. Nah. Nah, hell nah, that's crazy.
Fuck.
That shit's dumb loud now.
My fucking hat flew.
Out of the car?
No, that shit flew out of my fucking head.
that fool John's gonna be like, what the fuck?
Yeah, I remember. Like, nah, fool, they just fucking, they flew away.
Can you launch this shit or not?
Off a dig?
Yeah.
If I dump the clutch, yeah.
Dump that shit.
I don't know if I know.
Just raise it up to like fucking 4.
It did, but like, it dropped the RPM, so like it lost boost.
We're Loki fucking smashing. Holy shit. Just be careful for that 5 slow. Like banging the gears, huh?
Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate.